Why is a specific mountain in the desert of Saudi Arabia surrounded by barbed wire fences, armed guards, and warning signs that say trespassers will be shot? For centuries, history books told us Mount Sinai, the place where the Ten Commandments were given, is in Egypt. But there is zero archaeological evidence there. No burnt rocks, no altars, nothing. But across the Gulf of Aqaba, in a restricted zone of Saudi Arabia, stands a mountain called Jabal Makla. Its peak is blackened as if scorched by a heat so intense it melted the stone. Is this the true mountain of God? And if it is, why is the world not allowed to see it? The ancient texts describe Mount Sinai as a place of terrifying power. They say the mountain was wrapped in smoke because a divine presence had descended on it in fire. The smoke billowed up like the smoke of a furnace.
Traditionally, St. Catherine's Monastery in Egypt is claimed to be the site. But even archaeologists admit the location was chosen by a fortune teller in the 4th century, not by evidence. The ancient scriptures themselves give a geographical clue, stating clearly that Mount Sinai is in Arabia. If the text says Arabia, why have we been looking in Egypt for 2,000 years? When investigators sneaked into this forbidden zone in Saudi Arabia, what they found matches the ancient records with frightening precision. First, the peak of Jabal Makla is black. Geologists confirmed it is not volcanic rock. The rocks are granite, but the outside is scorched black, while the inside remains brown. It looks exactly like a mountain that was set on fire from the top down. Second, at the base of the mountain, there is a massive altar made of uncut stones covered in ancient petroglyphs of Egyptian bulls. This matches the incident of the golden calf perfectly. Third, a massive split rock stands on a hill nearby, showing distinct signs of water erosion in a desert where rain never falls. The evidence is physical, it is tangible, and it is under heavy guard. The debate continues. Skeptics say these are coincidences, but the Saudi government has fenced off the area for decades, designating it an archaeological zone while keeping it off tourist maps. If this is just a random mountain, why the fences? Why the guns? Why the secrecy? Perhaps the history maps are wrong. Perhaps the most significant event in ancient history happened not in Egypt, but in the forbidden deserts of Arabia. What do you believe? Is the charred peak of Jabal Makla proof of a divine event, or just a geological anomaly?